All right, great job working through the last few sections on how do births affect a population. We learned that a change in the resource population can lead to a change in the number of births in a consumer population, but we also know that the number of deaths also affects an ecosystem and can change population sizes as well. So, inevitably, as sad as it is, deaths do happen. We're going to use that sim as well in Amplify to kind of analyze this question. This was your key question of this section. And this is kind of the last big section before I give you another little quick video in the next section and then your exit ticket. What changes would decrease the number of deaths in this simulated ecosystem to the wee bug populations? We're trying to decrease the number of deaths of wee bugs. So you should have made a prediction here. If not, pause and go ahead and do that. It might be more than one option. And then you're following these directions. We're trying to decrease and remember the number of deaths in the wee bug population. So you probably already have this pulled up if you didn't exit out of it like my silly butt did. And have it split screen similar as before. We're just manipulating different populations in that simulated ecosystem to try and show what will decrease the deaths of the wee bugs. So again, the three population is the simulation we're on. And we're going to go ahead and pause the time here at 20. I still didn't make it to 20. I'm at 21. Run it for 20 time units. Press pause. I already did that. Open the food web overlay, similar to before, and look at those numbers. Here is where you're going to increase or decrease. You're just looking at either the furbill population or the greenleaf population, or maybe both. I would suggest focusing on just one. Okay. So if you selected more than one, I would test just one of these options. So I'm going to say increase furbills. Okay, that's the one I'm going to choose. So if I increase the furbills, what's going to happen? I will increase it by a lot, try and see as much of a change as possible. It says here, lock the wee bug population. What I'm going to tell you is to lock the population that you just changed. That's a mistake. And I will change the slide so it actually says the correct direction on there. My mistake on that. Go ahead and press lock here. Got it. And then press play to run the sim for 20 more time units. All right, we'll do that. So again, you're locking the population that you're manipulating. So I increased the furbills, so I locked that population, not the wee bugs. So pause it after about 20 more time units, and then press analyze to review. Whoops. What had happened. Similar to before, except you're now looking at the number of deaths of the wee bug population. So you're looking up here at this died number. I feel like I said that very aggressively. Died. Okay. So if I move this over, it shows you the time unit at 20, and it tells me that 26 wee bugs died. I increased the furbill population, and then I moved it to 20 more time units later, so at 40-ish, and 40 wee bugs died. So use that information to try and help you work through these sim directions and then answer the questions that follow. You got this.